Most of us have so many powerful thoughts and we want to share them with the world in the form of books. We dream of writing books and becoming a prominent author, but sadly, it remains a never fulfilled dream due to our procrastination, laziness, busy schedule, or other reasons. We often fall into the matrix of our own everyday 60,000 thoughts, and the deceptive matrix doesn't let us arrange those productive thoughts in a well crafted manner. Therefore, the successful SaaS entrepreneurs Jay Sharma and Atul Parekh claim that their latest launch, Book Creator, can create any of your desired book with just a keyword and even within 60 seconds. Plus, AI GPT Book Creator can help you achieve the same level of fame and success as Robert Kiyosaki, Robin Sharma, J.K. Rowling, Russell Brunson, Alex Hermogi, and successful authors. So, in this AI GPT Book Creator review, I'm going to describe everything about this so that you can make a well informed decision. So, let's begin. So, first of all, AI GPT Book Creator is an online tool that allows you to quickly and easily create, design, and publish professional grade books, ebooks, reports, and presentations on any topic. You can enter a keyword, and the AI powered tool will generate content within a few minutes, or maybe within 60 seconds. You can customize and sell these creations under your own name, keeping 100% of the profits. AIGPT Book Creator aims to simplify the process of creating ebooks, reports, and other content, enabling you to monetize your knowledge and expertise effectively. So, how does AIGPT Book Creator help you? As I said, AIGPT Book Creator has the ability to quickly and easily create professional quality ebooks, reports, and presentations on any certain topic by simply entering a keyword or a few answers. It can generate content in multiple languages, customize templates, and design book covers with a drag and drop editor. The tool provides you access to a vast library, nearly 2 million as they claim, of stock images and allows you for the creation of social media images, e-covers, and mockups. AIGPT Book Creator platform simplifies the process of book creation, as I mentioned, making it accessible to individuals without design, technical, or writing skills. It offers you the opportunity to tap into the growing market of ebook market, generate passive income, build a brand, and establish credibility as an author or an educator. If I talk about its features, so as you know that writers or authors face various challenges when it comes to creating and publishing books, such as, as I said, procrastination and not publishing books, and not knowing where to start, perfectionism, struggling to express their ideas and thoughts, distractions, lack of focus, time constraints, means busy schedule, and inappropriate support or resources. Thus, AI GPT Book Creator aims to solve these problems with its helpful features, including the ability to write a book within seconds, as they claim, by entering just a keyword, creating professional grade books on any topic, access to ready-made ebooks with a white label license, a drag and drop book editor, an inbuilt book cover designer, an inbuilt content creator, commercial licensing for creating books for clients, customization options for ebooks, and the social media image. There's this list is too long, so if you want to skip this part, the timestamps are given in the description, so you can skip this part. But let me continue. It also has features of mobile optimization for books, done for you book or templates, the ability to charge for creations, generating passive income, simplifying ebook creation without requiring specific skills, and the potential to capitalize on the ebook market. And now let's talk about its pricing. So let me go into this pricing section. See, there are two options for the front end product: the AI GPT Book Creator Personal and commercial version. So the pricing section of AI GPT Book Creator includes a commercial version priced at $37 with a $5 discount using the early 5 coupon. I have mentioned the coupon in the description. So if you want to purchase this one, then you can use this coupon code, or you can copy paste this coupon code to get a $5 off. And there's also a bundle offer for $317 with a $50 discount using the GPT book coupon on the bundle page. Again, the coupon code is given in the description. And please note that all coupons, as they claim, as per their official announcement, that all coupons will be deactivated after the launch, and the first March is its launch date. So the all the coupons will be deactivated after the launch, and the one-time plan will switch to $47 monthly membership after 7th March to 2024. But I doubt on this. I think they will not change into the monthly subscription plan. It will remain a one-time fee, I think. Additionally, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee in place for customers to try AI GPT Book Reader risk-free. So, as I said, the front-end product has two options: personal and commercial. First one is $34. I don't know why they closed this one, but you can go for this using the coupon code early5. And now let me talk about its So the front end offer has two options, as I said, personal and commercial. Apart from uh, these two options, these front end option, there are four OTOs and one bundle deal. The OTO one has will cost you $67. OTO two enterprise $67 again, and the OTO three is categorized into two parts. First, with the limitation of 100 clients only, while the second one has unlimited client license. Similarly, OTO4 is a premium membership. You may pay for this in three different ways: either $77 every month, or $1,041 for every 3 months as another subscription, or you can pay $997 for a lifetime or one time fee. And plus, there is a bundle offer worth $317, which they claim as their best seller package. If you consider this, do not forget the $50 discount, which I mentioned in the description, as I said. And now let me show you its bonuses. So there are four bonuses. The bonuses offered with the AI GPT Book Creator include four live and video trainings. So the bonus number one, the first bonus is a live training, and other three bonuses are video trainings. So the first one will train you for $0 to $10,000 a month with the AI GPT Book Creator. And bonus number two is another video training, and it will teach you how to start an online business. Bonus number three is about how to sell ebooks and run your agency business. And last but not the least, bonus number four is one another video training, and it will train you to boost your sales. And now it's time about my personal opinion. First of all, the features of AI GPT Book Creator resemble very much Sqribble and eCoverly, launched by Adil Chaudhary. Both products are listed on marketplace of ClickBank and have similar features to AI GPT Book Creator. Second, AI GPT Book Creator promises to fulfill your dreams for becoming a successful author like Robert Kiyosaki, Robin Sharma, J.K. Rowling, Russell Brunson, Alex Hormozy, and others. However, there is a big difference between human writing and AI writing. Human writing is personal, emotional, and authentic, connecting with readers on a deeper level. AI writing lacks this personal touch and emotional depth, even though it can be informative. So I would suggest not dreaming of the same name, fame, and money as those prominent authors. Also, the 60-second time frame might be a catch or a clickbait, because you should customize your book manually for a better version. Yes, GPT Book Creator helps you to write book content very fastly and easily, but you should customize it manually. However, AI GPT Book Creator may definitely help you to write and design simple ebooks, which you can use as lead magnets or sell on Amazon Kindle or your own website or other platforms and make profits. So that's it for today. Uh, I hope you have known everything about AI GPT Book Creator, and now you will make an info decision whether to buy it or ignore it. It's totally your decision. I will see you in another product launch, and whenever you need any honest opinion or on unbiased review about the SaaS products or any digital products, come to my profile. The links in given in the description, or visit this YouTube channel again.